afternoon, Metro Manila, Bulacan, Lawag, and other parts of the country experienced thunderstorms. Are we already in the rainy season? Not yet. According to Pag-asa, there are two conditions before we declare that we are now in rainy season. First, there should be at least 5 Pag-asa weather stations in different parts of the country to record at least 25 millimeters of rains for 3 consecutive days. And second, the southwest monsoon must be the prevailing wind. So far, what we are experiencing are scattered rain showers and thunderstorms brought by the diffused tail of cold front or by the easterlies. Expect Pag-asa to announce the official start of the rainy season here in the country within the next 2 weeks. Good evening. Here is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, May 28. As usual, there are still 2 weather systems affecting the country right now. The diffused tail of cold front is still affecting Luzon, particularly in northern and central Luzon, while the Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITCZ, is still active and affecting southern Mindanao. Here in Metro Manila and the regions of Ilocos, Cordillera, Cagayan Valley, Central Luzon, Calabarzon, Zamboanga will experience cloudy skies with light to moderate rain showers or thunderstorms, while the rest of the country will have partly cloudy skies, at times cloudy skies with some isolated rain showers or thunderstorms, mostly over the western section. Light to moderate winds blowing from the southeast to south will prevail over Luzon and Visayas, and coming from the east to northeast over Mindanao. The coastal waters throughout the archipelago will be slight to moderate. Metro Manila was cloudy most of the day today. Pag-asa weather station here in Quezon City recorded a high of 33.8 degrees Celsius, while in Ilawag, Ilocos Norte recorded 31 degrees Celsius, and in Puerto Princesa City has a high of 33 degrees Celsius. And here are the expected temperatures for tomorrow from selected cities around the country. Sunrise tomorrow at 5:26 in the morning, and sunset will be at 20 minutes past 6 in the evening. And for our astronomy photo of the day, the dazzling full moon sets behind the large telescope in Chile's Atacama Desert in this photo released June 7, 2010 by the European Southern Observatory. The moon appears larger than normal due to an optical illusion of perspective. This image was taken by Gordon Gillette of the European Southern Observatory. And that is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, May 28. For News Live, this is Edmond Rosales giving you the latest weather update. Clear skies be with you always.